Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to buy Pepe Coin on Metamask using Uniswap Exchange. Download Metamask from the App Store or Google Play Store for free. You need to have Ethereum in your wallet to switch to Pepe. If you don't have any Ethereum, you can buy directly on Metamask, transfer from another wallet, or buy on another exchange and send it to your wallet. When you are done with Metamask installation and you have Ethereum in your wallet, you are ready to buy Pepe Token. Go to your Metamask application. You will see your Ethereum balance. Click on Browser. Click on Decentralized Exchange, scroll down and find Uniswap Exchange. Click to connect your wallet. Choose WalletConnect, click Connect. Choose Metamask. Click Connect and your wallet will be connected to Uniswap. You will see your Ethereum balance. Click Select Token. In search bar type Pepe. It will be first on the list. Choose Pepe Token. Type amount of Pepe that you want to buy. Click Swap. Click Confirm Swap. Click Confirm. Wait for transaction to be completed on Ethereum network and Pepe Token will be in your wallet. If you can't see Pepe Token in your wallet, you need to add it manually. In your Metamask wallet, below all tokens, click Import Tokens. Just type Pepe in search bar at the top of screen. Click on Pepe Token. Click Import and Pepe Coin will be shown in your wallet. Also, you can paste contract address of Pepe Token. Click on Custom Token in the sToken address bar, paste Pepe Token contract address. Wait for load all information. Click Import and it will be shown in your wallet.